Here is a review for Rosabella Organic Beetroot Capsules. As you can see, Rosabella Organic Beetroot Capsules is available on any online shop that you can see. Now, it costs 1,768 and 87 cents pesos if you buy a 1 pack, while 2,712 for 2 packs, which saves you 22 pesos and 41 cents. Take note that this price is only available on selected countries, such as the Philippines. As you can see, Rosabella gives you a healthy circulation and blood and actually has a Food and Drug Administration registered. It also advises that this dietary supplement can support your circulation of body or blood, which is actually good for senior citizens. Now let's go ahead for the main, which is the product details. As you can see, it has a 1,300 milligrams for each bottle and support healthy circulation and vitality. Ingredients are beetroot capsules and crafted for non-GMO organic bits. So if you're looking for a very nice medicine, this one is the right one for you.